Recipe Dal Tarka. First boil it. Putting oil here. Onion broccoli. Little bit black pepper, garlic and ginger. Saute. Little bit salt. Hot spice. Turmeric powder. It got golden brown. Now adding here tomato. Mixing it. Tomato cook well. Now I will add the dal. Adding the dal. Now mixing it. Little bit of water added. My dal tarka will be ready soon. You can use here coriander cumin powder. Today I am using here Shahi Paneer spice. Little bit. It will give extra flavor of the tarka. I have tasted it. It becomes so delicious. Please try at your home. My tarka got ready for serve it. You can add your little bit butter, but I have not added here. So delicious dal tarka. Eat time for serve it. Bye.